Just above your rearview mirror are these map lights. Push the lens of either light to turn on and off. The interior lights are controlled by a 3-position switch. In the on position, lights will illuminate regardless of door positions. In the door position, lights will stay on for a period of time when the doors are unlocked from outside the vehicle, after the ignition is off while all doors are closed, or when the driver's door is opened and closed. In the off position, the lights will not go on, regardless of door positions. There is a second 3-position switch located in the rear that operates the same way. Your vehicle is equipped with a cargo lamp that can illuminate the contents of the truck bed. Push the switch to the on position and the cargo lamp will illuminate. When in the off position, the cargo lamp will not illuminate. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.